I want to get started with talking about the graps just in general. I mean, so basically I saved up and I finally bought them and threw them on the platinum stocks. And these are 35 by 1250 rim 20. There it is, Extreme Terrain mud grapplers, NITTO mud grapplers. I went ahead when I was at it and I threw on some 2-inch wheel spacers. Poke out pretty good. I think it looks perfect. Wheel spacers really set them out. And to get them to fit, I had to throw on 3-inch level, just one off Amazon. So far so good with everything. I had to do a little bit of trimming right there, and a little bit of trimming right there. Trimmed a little bit too much, but I don't have to worry about scrubbing. Full lock, no scrub. Everything's pretty good on this truck. I love it so far. One thing I noticed about the graps is just how loud they are. You hear people talk about it. These things are super loud on the road, especially on the highway. Around about 35 miles an hour, you hear them start picking up. And for me, about 65, 70 is like their loudest. They sure are worth it. They're so pretty to me. The lugs are just huge, just oddball lugs. I love them. And so when I did this, I went ahead and threw on the leveling kit like I was talking about. I wasn't sure how I was gonna lock it, 3-inch level, thinking it wasn't gonna be as big as I wanted it to, but honestly, it sits pretty tall. I didn't think it would sit as tall as it does. It looks a lot bigger in real life. I mean, I'm loving it so far. Cleaned the truck today. The graps are still a little dirty, but I mean, it's graps. Got the stocks back here. I need someone to come buy these. I put them on Marketplace. They're just Michelin all-terrains, rim 20. If you see them on Marketplace, shoot me a deal, and I'll get with you because I need them gone as soon as possible. I'm just trying to make some money off of them. I don't even know if I've showed y'all my new stickers. I got the Campbell decal. Oh, there I got my Snapchat and basically all my socials. I got them off of Instagram. Really good quality. You can go check them out. I ordered a beef tag over here for the front. The owner of the truck originally, I don't know what he did. He got into that a little bit, so I ordered the one to replace that and then put the tag in the center. So it'll look like this over here. I think that'll look pretty cool. It's a beef tag and it's the same colors as my Snap decal, my last name. So I hadn't really talked about clearance, but I've noticed like a pretty big difference in like height. 35s and a 3-inch leveling kit will sit it up pretty good bit. Nowhere, I mean, it's not as tall as like a 6-inch lift kit or nothing, obviously, but to me, it's just perfect. It's what looks best on this truck. Isn't nothing too extreme. It just fits just perfect. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated with the truck on the channel. I mean, to me, it turned out perfect. Comment what y'all think about it and what else y'all want to see me do to it. There's still some stuff I want to do to it. Some new headlights, bright LEDs, maybe some paint match stuff. I could get into that. I haven't really thought about that, but so far I'm pretty content for right now. So like I said, comment down below what y'all want to see me do to it. So I haven't talked about gas mileage yet, but I realized it's gonna drop a little bit. It was at 15.5, now it's at 15.0. Some dude told me he had the same truck as me. He told me it'll probably drop to around 12 something, 12 and a half maybe. That's probably about what I'll get. And like I said, just comment what else y'all want to see me do to this truck and comment how y'all feel about it. I think it looks really nice. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.